Okay, so I started the recording as well. Thanks Raj for letting me know. So so far, like we discussed about what are the courses I give, and also what is my experience, and who are the target audience, what is the time duration, and class when will be the classes and all, and what is that I'll going to cover. Okay, so the classes will be Monday to Friday and maximum 40 days, I said. I'll promise you at least like 1 month, 1 week, within like 1 month, 1 week, I based on your your uh, learning capabilities and all. Okay, based on the batch, we may extend 1 or 2 days, but I will say it more or less will complete by 1 month, 1 week, like that. So what are the things that I will going to cover, okay, with respect to Cypress. So from the scratch means like the installation of Cypress to, okay, building a framework for your project. Okay, so Cypress already gives the framework. Why again building framework? Someone may already little bit knowledge. Okay, they may ask you like how to configure it based on, okay, the Cypress provides lot of things. So based on your project needs, okay, what are the things you have to configure, how to do that, how to build your framework. Okay, that I will teach up to that level, and it will be like real time. Okay, real time teaching all. I will take some websites and I will automate it and I will show it. And also at the every day, okay, every class, okay, will be recorded. Okay, will be recorded, and that recorded session will be uploaded to Google Drive. So okay, that recorded videos, okay, you will have access. So I will just add your email ID so that you will have access. So if someday, okay, you want to go back and refer the same class again, you can refer. Or you are not able to attend one class due to some regions, that time again you can still go back and refer the videos. And materials in the sense each topic whenever I am teaching, so I'll give about that part, about that particular topic. Okay, so guys, are you able to see my screen? Yeah, I observed that. Please don't share your screen, guys. Okay, okay, now you can see, right? Okay, so the materials, okay, or the code snippets every day will be keep sending. Okay, and also you will get JavaScript materials. So I will teach like basics of JavaScript also I will cover. So I'll get yeah, even you will get the JavaScript now code snippet as well to practice, and where to practice all those things. Okay, so these are all the things that you will get from my end. So what is the syllabus that I am going to cover? So syllabus that I am going to cover is like basics of JavaScript. Okay, it will be like around 5 hours of training on JavaScript, guys, because we are going to script our. Guys, can you please go on mute? Okay, so who is this Darishala Uma? Please go on mute. Okay, yeah. So basics of JavaScript I will teach, and it will be around 5 hours. What is the syllabus that I am going to cover is, okay, so let me show you. So this is the syllabus that I'm going to cover. Introduction to JavaScript, variables, data types, okay, arrays, conditional statements, loops, functions, object, how to work with object, how to work with strings, working with numbers, hooks. So these are all the basic concepts I will cover from my course. And also I will recommend you to explore some of the other concepts as well, that while giving the course I will tell you what are the other concept you have to refer from your end. Okay, like at least on 3 to 4 concept I will recommend you to learn from your own, so you can learn. Okay, but this is like basic JavaScript. Okay, this is like if you learn this, okay, it will be good. Okay, you can understand the what what is the libraries that we have, and how to automate at least basic idea you will have. That is the reason, so I am covering these topics. Okay, and the course outline. So setup, Muka, web elements, select, XPath and CSS, locators, reports. So I'll send this, course content with you. Okay, later. But so I'll just cover here of what are the major things. I will tell. So as part of Cypress, like okay, so like how to install Cypress. Okay, from there, like what is the difference between the other tool and our tool, like Cypress? What is the difference between like what is the architectural difference between Selenium and Cypress? Someone is asking question. Okay, okay. Now are you able to see? I'm presenting my screen. I will just stop sharing. Okay, hope you can see now, right? I just stopped sharing and shared it again. Oh, hope you can see. So the architectural difference between Selenium and Cypress, and the installation. First, positive, negative test cases, assertions, Muka framework, and locators. How to configure the reports, how to do the configurations with respective to framework, and also reports like Muka sum report, dashboard report. Okay, and also I will teach like API automation integration, like how to do API automation using Cypress. Also I will teach, but our main focus will be like UI automation. So I'll extensively will teach UI automation, but I will also cover how to do API automation, like basics, like how to automate the get request, put, post, all this, request, how to automate. I will teach you. For this, okay, you should have a, like at least you should have a knowledge on how the API works, okay, how the API testing works, or you should have a Postman tool knowledge, then it will be enough. And also I will cover like Cucumber BDD integration. Okay, Cucumber BDD framework integration I will cover in the same course. Okay, so and in the last 1 hour I will also cover how to work with Git and like GitHub. So these are all the things will be covered, guys. Okay, so now why we have to choose a Cypress, that we will discuss, because Cypress is very high demand in the market. Why it is in the demand? Okay, so like if you take selenium, okay, it is you have, if you spend like I will tell you, like with respect you to learning time. Okay, if you spend around 100, let's suppose one guy is spending 100 hours to learn selenium. The same guy, okay, same level knowledge of guy, okay, who can learn, okay, if they can spend 50 hours, definitely they can become expert. So with respect to learning, okay, it is easy tool, and it is fast when compared to Selenium. Okay, some other tool, okay, it is old tool. Okay, it is faster than Selenium. So when you are executing your test, it is faster than Selenium, and it is also a open source. Open source in the sense, okay, to use this tool, you don't have to pay anything, but provided condition, okay, there is a feature called, okay, dashboard. Okay, if you want to use dashboard, wide range. Okay, it means like more than 3 people you want to use the access to dashboard, then definitely you need to pay for that. Okay, but however, to get the HTML reports or some other reports, you don't have to pay. Only dashboard is the cloud report. So for that, okay, you will charge. So some people, okay, they will incorporate or they will use the dashboard, or they will not use, because you will already getting the video reports, and also you will get so Cypress will give advanced reports. Okay, like you will get the video recording of your test case execution, so you will get video report, and Cypress will give screenshots, okay, if it is a failure. Okay, and also you can get HTML report, you can get a dashboard report. So this is the major advantage of Cypress, okay, over Selenium. And also it is easy and fast, and it is like in terms of okay, in terms of language. Okay, in Selenium, okay, you have to, you can you can go with Java, Selenium with Java, or Selenium with C Sharp, some other tool. But here in Cypress, either you can go with the JavaScript, okay, or sorry, JavaScript, or JavaScript, or TypeScript. Okay, JavaScript or TypeScript you can go. But our course, okay, throughout our course we will be focusing on like using JavaScript. So somebody may also ask me like will you teach Cypress? So TypeScript, no, I am not covering the Cypress tool with TypeScript, but JavaScript I am covering. So more or less everything will be same, but only some configurations you have to change. Okay, that's it. So but if you learn that JavaScript, okay, almost you learn with TypeScript also, because TypeScript are and JavaScript are similar languages. Okay, and with respect to, okay, community wise. Okay, so community, Selenium is like old tool, so so many people are using, so it is the large community is available. Cypress is like a growing community. Okay, Cypress is growing community means, okay, it is no, it is becoming popular nowadays, though it is there from 2015. So it started from 2015, but it is becoming popular nowadays. Okay, it means it is in, currently it is in boom, I will say, or currently it is in peak stage. But okay, you will also get nice documentation. Okay, documentation around it. So all this advantage of Cypress, and also some of the other benefits we have using Cypress. What is that advantage is like a test runner we have. So unlike Selenium, okay, in the Selenium, okay, if you take, there is no test runner at all. So here we have something called test runner. So we'll get UI to run your test cases. And some of the other features like time travel, okay, debugging is easy. Okay, debugging is easy here. Okay, and also stubs. Okay, stub some of the other features it will give, advanced features, but Selenium don't have those kind of features. And also with respect to architecture, Selenium architecture is different. Okay, and Cypress architecture is different. So if you want to execute your Selenium test cases, first you have to write the script, and you have to have the driver to talk to browser. It means I will just open the paint and explain. I'm not sure why it is stuck. Let me okay, now it is visible, right? Yeah. See, I joined in actually two missions. So to in order to accept some peoples, that is the reason it is probably stucking. So what is this Selenium architecture is like I will write the script here, and you will run on the browser, same script. So you can't directly run the scripts in on the browser. So in the between, okay, in your script and in between, okay, you have something called okay driver concept. So first it will talk to driver. So driver will talk to browser. So it will get the response that again it will come to driver, and it will your client will see the response. That is how it works. So if you want to talk to here, if you want to run your test script on, let's suppose, Chrome browser. So that time what you have to do, you have to run you have to have a Chrome driver, Chrome browser driver. If you want to run some script on Firefox, okay, you have to have Firefox browser driver. I think I have a very good representation. uh, One moment, guys. Sorry, not this one. So this is a picture I have. First, in order to run your script, first you have to write the script, and you have to install the browser driver. Then okay, it will talk to your browser. It means you can run on the browser. So that is how actually it works. Okay, but whereas Cypress, okay, you write the script and it will directly run on the browser. So you have a control, direct control on the browser. So that is the advantage, main advantage of Cypress. Okay, so everything in detail I will cover in the course, but since it is a demo, just I'm giving the overview, guys. Okay, so this is the architectural difference between Selenium and Cypress, and how to install it. Okay, installation is very easy in terms of if you are working with Cypress. Like, what is the prerequisites? Okay, prerequisites. Okay, you have to install Node.js. Okay, and the other one is just a code editor. So here in this case, I am using okay, VS Code, Visual Studio Code. Okay, so these are all the things I will cover, and let me just show you how the Cypress will be there. So this is the Cypress, currently for the last batch I was teaching. So now let me show you. So this is a test runner that we have. Okay, so here we can choose the browser, which browser I want to run my test cases. So if I want to run my test cases on Chrome browser, just I will choose Chrome. Okay, I will just start. Okay, just one example I will show you. What is that I am demonstrating here is, so drag and drop. Okay, this one. Okay, I'm just taking this URL. How we will test in the manually is like we just go to that URL. Okay, here are some elements are there. I want to drag to here like this. Okay, so manually how we will check? Okay, we will just go and drag and we will check the same thing. Okay, you want to automate means, okay, so you have to write this script. So it will open the browser and it will do test for you. So whether it dropped or not, okay, you can add some assertion on it. Okay, so let me run that particular test case and show you. See, it is opened the Chrome browser. Okay, and you see here, okay, it is dragged. So this is how it fast, guys. Okay, it is too fast. Okay, in terms of learning, in terms of running the test cases, I want to change the browser and run. So you can just change here also. Okay, and you can run same test case. Okay, you are doing with you are running with a different browser. And also you can select here, okay, which browser you want to run. So here also you can change, okay, which browser I want to change. And you can also change this resolution, which resolution I want to run my test cases. That also possible. So that also I will cover. So that is for responsive testing. Okay, so that also I will cover. So any doubts from your end, guys? The no browsers installation we have to do, but you don't have to get this browser drivers. So what I was talking is browser driver. Browser is different and browser driver is different. So the browser driver is the library which talks to your browser. Okay, so that you don't need in Cypress. Correct. Okay, time travel. Okay, let me show you. See here. Okay, here I'm just hovering on this. Okay, see here, I'm hovering on this. Okay, what is it is just opening the browser. You just see here, it is when I doing something. Okay, it is when I hover on it. What is that? It is performing in the right side. It is showing. You see here. Okay, so where it is dragging. Okay, everything. Okay, it will show. So that is the feature we have in order to debug your test cases. So this is very useful. So that is a time travel feature we have in Cypress. You see here when I over on it, what is happening? Okay, with respect to that command, what is happening, that it will highlight. So that is there in the test runner. No, no, nothing you have to do. Just I will show you quickly. Okay, I have time on. So I will just quickly show you how to get it. So here in the documents, okay, I'll just create one new folder. Just I will say basically you have to give your project name. Okay, learn Cypress like this I am giving. So what I will do, already I have installed Node.js and Visual Studio Code. Only those two things you have to install. Now what I will do, I have I have created in the documents. I have created this particular learn Cypress folder. Just opening that. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, now what you have to do, go to terminal. Okay, I got the terminal here. So npm init, I'll just say UI automation, that package name. I'll just for everything for now, I'll just say okay. Now you got package.block.json. Just say npm install Cypress. Okay, Cypress is also a npm package, so it will get installed for you. After that, you have to run another command. So that's it. Okay, you are ready to work. Let me show you that. So let it download. So basically, based on your internet speed, okay, it will take some time. Okay, let it download. So meanwhile, any other questions you have, guys? Yeah, that. Yeah. Go ahead. Yes, yes. No, not necessary. Yeah, yeah. Probably they are actually, blocking, you to install the Cypress. So that is the reason. But I have a like, this is my personal laptop, so I don't have to set up any proxy, anything as sort of that. Okay, so it maybe, your company is blocking that particular installation. So I haven't checked. Okay, what is that? You are getting the problem. Even I installed my company laptop also. I didn't get any sort of error like that. But just check with your IT team. Okay, they should provide the they should provide the necessary necessary approvals. That's it, I guess. Okay. Yes, yes, it is possible. Yes, it is possible. Okay. So here the other question was there, like what is the framework that you use? Okay. So here, in Selenium, okay, we have something like, okay, in Selenium, okay, if you want like if you are going with Java as a language, then what is the framework that you will use? You will use TestNG or JUnit. Okay, so again you have to external libraries will be there, that you have to get it to your project, then only you can make use of these frameworks. But with respect to Cypress, okay, get these external libraries. Cypress inbuilt, okay, it will give assertion libraries as well as test libraries. So what is that inbuilt libraries is Muka. So I will also cover Muka and assertion libraries like chai assertions, chai, Sinon chai. Okay, all other libraries, it will get by default when once you install, okay, you will get these libraries as well. So that is the one. And if you ask me like a hybrid, data driven, those kind of patterns, okay, what is that? Okay, you can design your own way. Like you want to do data driven, okay, you can do. You want to do hybrid, yes, you can do. So basically, okay, here we will use a page object model. So that how to achieve the page object model also I will cover. Yes, yes. So each and every assertions and how to understand the documentation is very, very important. See, I will tell one thing, okay, and there are a lot of maybe in your website there are so many other cases. Basically, what you have to learn, okay, you have to learn how to understand the Cypress documentation. So that I extensively I will cover. So by the end of the course, okay, you will be able to understand the what is Cypress documentation is available. That way I will cover. So advantage you are talking, right? Over Selenium. Correct. So instead of Selenium, okay, if you ask me, it is easy to learn. In terms of execution of test cases, it is fast, and advanced reports will get, test runner will get, Okay, and some of the other features, okay, like time travel, debugging stubs, network control, all these things, but it is not there in Selenium. So Selenium, like if you want to get like reports, okay, you have to rely on some other libraries. Selenium inbuilt, they don't have any reporting libraries, or you will not get any reports if you if you want to work with Selenium with any other language binding. So you have to, in order to get the reports, okay, you have to configure something or you have to do some other things. Okay, but here in Cypress, okay, it will give the advanced reports like video recording and all. So, and also we have dashboard report. So are you able to see my screen? So any other question? Yeah. And other thing that I want to tell you is like in recent days, like almost June 1st, what they have done, okay, they have released Cypress 10 version. Okay, so lot of changes has happened. Okay, like your earlier version to current version. Like earlier, some different folder structures was there. Now the different folder structure we have. So I will also cover what is the difference between, okay, old version, okay, and the new version. So that also I will cover. Okay, my installation is done. Okay, I will show you now. I will just say Cypress open. So now it is 10.3.0 is the latest version. So you will get in the older, like if you go to some Cypress videos, tutorials and all, so you'll get like older versions of explanation. That also I will cover, like what is the difference between older version and the newer version also I will cover that. I'll just close this. So you see this, this is how you will get the runner. So I didn't configure anything, just I run the series of command like installation stuff. That's it. Okay, so now I got the test runner for me. You can see here, let's say import it, go back to here. Okay, lot of one moment. Okay, you see here Cypress a folder is created. Inside E2E is there. You got some examples also, some basic example, advanced example, that also you can see in the here. If you want to run, just click on it. Okay, you can able to run. Any other questions with you guys? Yes, it is possible. Okay. No. CICD is something, okay, that I'm not covering as of now. Like I will cover Git and GitHub, okay, how to work with, but Jenkins or any CI/CD pipeline, that I'm not covering as part of my syllabus. So I am thinking, okay, this batch maybe up to 20 members. Okay, so whoever is interested to join, okay, the classes will be start from Monday, guys. Okay, so okay, please contact me whoever is wanted to continue, so that I will tell you, okay, what is the like mode of payment, where to do the payment. So once you do the payment, I will create the series of invites, okay, in the Google Meet. So every day you can join through that. I will block your calendar so that you can join to that particular class. And not discussed. Fees is not discussed. Yeah. So okay. You can contact me, like if you don't have my contact number, you can contact me 720 777 4066. So today I am actually occupied with some corporate training. So from 9:30 to evening 3 o'clock, I will be occupied with corporate training for LNT. So it is advisable to you to you can send me a WhatsApp message. I will reply you if you have any queries. Otherwise, tomorrow I am free, you can contact me anytime, no problem. So myself Raju. Yeah, yeah, you can. Yeah, it is 720. So 1 second, I'll share that. So you are able to see my screen, right? 720 777 4066. It is plus 91. Okay, and you can see my all my work and the feedbacks of previous students. Okay, so this is my LinkedIn page, Timmaraju G. Okay, you can go through that as well. And also my web page, Google business site page is DBS QA Technologies. Okay, you can go through this also. You can go through reviews here. That will help you, I guess. So definitely, and if you're already working on protractor, it is very easy to learn Cypress. But I will cover, I will cover in the view of like who don't know anything about like yeah, beginner level. Any other questions, Rahul, Pasha, or Tansino, or Preeti, Rahul, Rajkumar, this Sedupati. Any other questions, guys? Yeah, no, Cypress has got some limitations. Okay, it don't support multi tabs, and it doesn't support multiple origins. Okay, so that limitations also we will discuss in the course, but it doesn't support multitask. But we have some workaround, like how to verify that. Okay, if you want to verify something in the new tab, okay, what is the way of workaround? So that also we will learn in the course. Yes, definitely. You need to have at least basics knowledge of JavaScript. So basic JavaScript I will cover. If you still need some of the advanced concept, okay, you can explore. But from basic things, I will explain from my end. So it is not like a prerequisite to join the course. Like you should know JavaScript. No, I will cover that. Any other questions from anyone? Okay, then I think we are done with this demo, guys. Okay, whoever is interested to join, please contact me. Okay, I will tell you how to do the like what is the mode of payment, and how to do the payment, and to which number you have to send the amount, everything. So whoever is paid, they will get the access from classes, okay, from Monday.